Yeah. What? 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 Alright, I am back boys. मैंने बोला था मैं ये गेम में वापस आऊँगा खेलने और मैं फाइनली आ गया हूँ. Let's hope मैं डिफीट कर सकता हूँ इसको. Like I just hope. I really hope मैं इसको डिफीट कर सकता हूँ because oh boy, this is going to be one hell of a tough one. Alright. This one. What? Are you seriously kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? एक्चुअली यही था ना यार. दूसरे इसको मैं फाइट कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट इवन नो मैं किसको फाइट कर रहा हूँ. राइट वेट, आई नीड द बाइट अगेन. फ्रैक्चर. ओके, लेट्स हील. ओके, दैट्स गुड. द आर्मर हैज बीन रिड्यूस्ड बाय अ लॉट. तो ज़्यादा डैमेज पड़ेगा. ओह, दैट हर्ट्स. भाई डॉज, क्या मजाक डॉज कर रहा है भाई. फ्रैक्चर अगेन. नॉट रिस्किंग इट. हाँ, फ्रैक्चर कर लो ताकि मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा डैमेज मिले. अगर नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम मैं वापस फाइट करेगा अगर ये इस बार आ रहा तो. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज बॉय दिस इज अ टफ वन. नहीं होगा. इसका हीलिंग फैक्टर इतना हाई है. सो दैट्स अ फेलियर. मुझे थोड़ा और लेवल अप करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए आई गेस बिकॉज इसका हीलिंग. लेट्स गो. Let's go, baby. This is one. This is going to be tough, but let's try. Let's try and defeat these guys. I'm going to starting में मैं एकदम normal करूँगा damage. Now is when I'll do damage because इसका health low है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bite and I'm going to conjure. Bite for the health ताकि मेरा health regen हो. एंड जो दूसरा आएगा उसके ऊपर कॉन्जर आ जाएगा. राइट वेट नहीं. ओके, सो आई हैव द फोकस पॉइंट. एक्स्ट्रा फोकस पॉइंट है मेरे पास. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई विल गिव यू अ हैवी स्विंग एंड आई विल गिव यू एक्चुअली फर्स्ट शार्प वन देन आई विल गिव द हैवी स्विंग. दैट वे ज़्यादा डैमेज पड़ेगा वेपन का. Yep. Beautiful damage. Beautiful damage. That should be an easy one. Holy shit. इसका हेल्थ कितना है? 200. दो और बाकी है. ये बाकी है, इसके बाद एक और आएगा. So मुझे उन दोनों के साथ डील करना है राइट नाउ. First thing is first, I'll do this and then bite and I'll also punch him. This way उसके पास आर्मर कम होगा. मेरे को ये मिलेगा, हील मिलेगा. And also punch him just because I can. जितना डैमेज कर सकता हूँ उतना ज़्यादा कर डैमेज करूँगा मैं. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बाइट एंड शार्पन. बिकॉज अगला बंदा जो आएगा उसको शार्पन की ज़रूरत लगेगी. उसके लिए शार्पन की ज़रूरत लगेगी. सो या आई विल गेट 4 टर्न्स ऑफ दैट. आई डॉज्ड दैट व्हिच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. That should be. Oh shit, he dodged. That's kind of sad. अबे यार क्या है? Okay, I dodged too. That's good to know. But मुझे waste नहीं करना ये. So I'll bite and I'll sharpen again. That way मेरा waste नहीं होगा कुछ. Please sharpen. What? Game? Did my game crash? Finally, the final boss is here, and it was frustrating. I don't know मेरा game क्यों ऐसा कर दिया, but मेरा game कर गया for whatever reason. So yeah, I had to redo stuff. This time I have less health than I had previously, but whatever. Fine by me. Whatever. चलता है. इस दुनिया में सब चलता है. डैमेज पड़ रहा है. गलत डैमेज पड़ रहा है. I can win this. I'm pretty sure I can win this. Just need to be careful here. I could use bite, but I want to save that bite. हाँ mistake. पहले मुझे वो करना चाहिए था इसके वजह से उसका आर्मर कम मिल. ओह, this is bad. This is really bad. No. Can I not get? Please don't use your pre-attack. Exactly 21. Should I use bite? This is going to be the tough one. Because अभी तक तीनों easily down होते हैं. This is where things get tough because he does a lot of damage. Hell lot of damage. Not just lot of damage. Hell lot of damage. So yeah, this is where things get tough. This is going to be really tough. Blunt attacks is fine. Blunt attacks is really fine. They don't have that much impact, but what's not fine is dark magic attacks, which are annoying AF. Okay, I definitely need to sharpen my thing because मेरे को वापस से चाहिए. Get back my health. Really important to get back my health. Oof. That's too much damage, man. Too much damage. That's. अगर मैं ये survive कर गया, there is a chance. If I can survive this, please. Okay. I think so. I can do this. Let's try it. Clocks tell me I can do this. 93, 53. This is a tower. This is a close one, really close one. Ooh, 24, 9. Can I do it? Let's see. Can I do this? Annoy! Oh my god. एक शॉट, एक आखिरी शॉट. पूरा इसमें डॉज नहीं किया. एक आखिरी शॉट लगाया था, वही डॉज किया. फर्स्ट थिंग इज फर्स्ट. मेरे को ये करना है. आई वांट टू गेट हिज आर्मर डाउन. 2 बार करूँगा मैं, एक्चुअली नहीं. ओके, दैट्स फाइन. आई विल गेट सम हीलिंग फ्रॉम हिम. मच नीडेड हीलिंग. डैमेज. अबे यार, अब ये डॉज करते रहेगा क्या पूरे दिन? सीरियसली माय डूड, प्लीज डोंट डॉज. इंस्टिंक्ट. आई वाज ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे वो. सो आई विल गो विद 2 फ्रैक्चर्स एंड अ बाइट. उसका आर्मर काफ़ी डाउन हो जाएगा, विच विल रियली हेल्प अ लॉट बिकॉज उसका आर्मर आई डोंट नो कितना है. लाइक फिजिकल रेजिस्टेंस मैंने बहुत कम कर दिया उसका. ओके, दैट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Oh, my character is going on super power up. I don't know what I'm saying, but this is definitely working. More. I have that weapon damage. Only thing I need is armor reduction. Armor reduction करते रहे armor reduction. Okay, -35. I swear, अभी इधर से हम लोग हारेंगे. I don't know क्या बोलूँ मैं. इतना ज़्यादा armor reduction है ना इसका अभी. Like literally, I want to win this now. Please. Heavy swing. I'm going to go heavy. I'm going all in now. All in. गलत किया मैंने. Yes. There we go. Well, that trick worked, and it worked well. So yeah, that would have been pretty easy. That was not actually tough. Yes, पैसा दे मेरे को. मेरे को हर एक पैसा चाहिए. Easy. Okay, definitely this. Definitely. With that, I have the best sword in the game now. Yeah, boy. So I'm admission कर लूँ cause I definitely don't want to fight anybody right now. After that exhausting fight. Really, first time game crash हुआ. सेकेंड टाइम तो मेरी गलती है चलो. थर्ड टाइम तो मेरे को गेम ने लिटरली काट दिया. मेरा गेम ने लाइक मजाक करते हो सीरियसली. एंड देन फाइनली मैंने डिफीट किया. सो 4 टर्न्स लगे मुझे इन टोटल डिफीट कर देगा. आई एम नॉट फाइटिंग एनीबॉडी ऑन द वे लाइक सीरियसली. आई डेफिनेटली वांट दैट पोशन. क्विकली कम हियर. I need someone that is not from Cavern. No offense, but you do not look like a scholar. So you'll do perfectly. Do you want to wear more? Sure. People here in Canada always go in the university rooms. What more people don't know is there are much older and believe me, much more interesting rules. The rules of NDC. I don't want this to spread in Cavengrad. The up to no good scholars will flood the place, and I don't want that. I need to know the rules though. So I wanted to scout them out. Try to find some old writings on inscription to get more information, like in old runes. There will be monsters lurking. Kill 8 of them, so I can get the feeling for how strong they are. You can find the runes far south of Kamengrad. Okay. Need information about the Witch Master. I like you already. I do not have the information. There are however dark corners of Kamengrad that could contain the information you see. If you're looking for the Witch Master, you will need all the help you get. There is a place of power just outside Kamengrad. Go there and you shall become stronger. Okay. You sell me things. You heal him. और वहाँ पे मुझे देखना है कि are there better items. 1 minute. Quest focus. Sure, I can investigate the mine we speak of. You selling a book of your room. Can I find it? Okay, sure. I'll do it. Quests are something that I do a lot, especially main quest. You heal for free. No, you don't. So let's just forget about it. Student, Professor calls. Okay. Teacher. Okay. Oh, more quests. Felix, PewDiePie. you are. Are you one of them? Yes, I am. Get. Okay. One of what? No, calm down. Okay. Sure. I will definitely do it. How may I be surface? Tell me about. Yeah. Can you teach me how to hunt? Sorry about that. Sorry about that part too. I would like you to finish your training with Master Ketamin and Ivan, then come visit me. What creatures are there in this forest? Okay. Nothing. Okay. Do you sell me something new? That's good. Oh, there is definitely a lot better weapons here. Unique sword. Great sword क्या है इधर? Oh! Look at that beautiful great sword. इसका डैमेज ज़्यादा है बट इसका डैमेज डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा है इससे. Yep. I need 4,000 for that. You seriously shitting me, bro? Like 4,000? Right now मेरे पास barely कुछ पैसा है. I got the best sword that I could get currently. Okay? So getting this sword is going to be an even bigger issue. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे आर्मर चाहिए अच्छा सा. सो मैं आर्मर खरीदेगा आके पहले. व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट? ये क्या लेगा? दिस 43 आर्मर. या आई विल टेक दैट लेयर्ड मेटल पैंट. सो आई विल गेट 2,000 रुपीज़ फर्स्ट और 10 hours और वट एवर इट इज़ इन दिस. So yeah, I will do that first. Now the next thing I want is definitely fracture, because fracture. What is this? Interesting. Okay. Oh. Alright. Alright. We have a battle already. Pillar guard. Let's go. Oh. भाई critical इतना ज़्यादा dangerous. Like what the heck? Seriously dude, what the heck was that? That critical was just unbelievable. That critical was unbelievable. इतना हाई डैमेज, इतना हाई डैमेज, क्या मजाक किया, क्या मजाक किया. लाइक yep, definitely ज़्यादा गोल्ड मिल गया अभी. Magus, what is that? Let me see. Abilities. What's that? Instinct control. Magus क्या है फिर? Oh, this one. Choose damage type for conjure if not active. Dark is the default. Ah, that's interesting. What does this do? Actually, I want that because that's definitely worth it. If this is situational, I'm pretty sure about that. Throw Solve into the cave, and I am already into a fight. Let's go, baby. Mind Spirit. How much damage? ठीक ठाक चलेगा. I can deal with that. Yeah, I can deal with that. Not a problem. Now, there is one thing I'll do. Bite, then yeah, that's it. Cause मेरे को health वापस चाहिए इसलिए. Done. And done. That reduce your armor by a lot. I hope मैं मर ना जाऊँ. मुझे heal करके जाना चाहिए था. Oh shit, that's bad. That's actually bad. Heal करके जाना चाहिए था. That was a bad decision. That was definitely a bad decision. This must be boss Nicholas, son Nicholas. The body is somehow alive, but at the same time not. It is aggressive. You know what? Let's try to kill it. Cause I can. What the hell are you? Seriously, what the hell are you? You look some monstrosity from Resident Evil. Not even joking. That's what I feel you look like. Okay. Tang dang. Dang. Going to be some damage. Definitely some damage. Yeah. What? 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 Out of you, okay? You can't stop me. No one can. भाई सच्ची बता, तू कोई रेसिडेंट इविल का क्रीचर है क्या? Okay. Now. Yes. 165 armor. Now I better not die, okay? I don't know कैसा डैमेज करने वाला है, क्या डैमेज करने वाला है. Okay, I am alive. That's a good thing. सच्ची में क्या मजाक डैमेज करता है. Thank you for that. But I can't have HP regen properly because of that. Not again. 45. Get even more defense. I don't care. भाई क्या मजाक है ये. नहीं भाई, मैं अभी इससे फाइट नहीं कर रहा. आर्मर वार्मर बांधने थे मेरे को. What is that damage? आएगा हम आएगा. रुक तेरी मारेगा मैं. रुक जा. ये एपिसोड में नहीं तो अगले एपिसोड में मारेगा. तू वाली रुक. It should be an easy victory here. I don't even need to try. Well, I need to try somewhat. Pachak. Dhachak. Almost dead. कुछ नहीं होगा. कुछ ना होगा तुमसे बबुआ. हमारा power is much more stronger than your power. You understand? Good. I hope you understand. That should be level up for me. Ooh, almost. Actually, हो गया level up. Oh wait, ability points. Straight away, fracture में, because fracture has been a lot useful than the one I'm using right now. Definitely get some more gold and experience पे डालूंगा. What? That was weird. Preparing for slaughter. Spirit brother Tom. Okay. Don't tell me this guy also has regen and dodging abilities. साला पहला वाला ही नहीं होता डिफीट करने को. दूसरा वाले क्या है? क्या मजाक चल रहा है इधर? होगा नहीं होगा. 926 हेल्थ है और इसका डॉजिंग कैपेबिलिटी इतना हाई है. ऊपर से रीजन मार सकता है. नो नहीं होगा. इम्पॉसिबल है. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइट. लाइक लिटरली इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइट दिस थिंग. Yeah, I already give up. I can just try. Nothing much. This is it's quite simple. नहीं होगा. Too much है. Damage handle कर नहीं सकता मैं. Cause ऊपर से HP regen है. I don't think so I can fight that thing. Whole game is all about. YOLO. I didn't count. I need an audience with the council. Okay. Fine. I will do what I can. Hello. For Vassor, dead to all empires. Bro, listen, bro. I didn't even mean to kill that guy. He was the one who brought his death upon himself. He was the one who attacked me first. How can you say that I was the reason that he killed? He got killed. Like, come on. I know I am a half vampire and everything. Well, I am a full vampire, whatever. But still, your reasoning is more bullshit than my reasoning, okay? The book it is over here. Oh, hey. You hear something? What happened? I don't know anything. Okay. Who are they? I don't recognize. Okay. How long have I found a first body? Okay. I need to sign the book. He's right over here. Oh yeah. Could you sign the book? I hope I still do so because let's sign it. Wow. Holy shit, there is some hanged. Who the hell is you? Answer regarding face my power. Okay. What is the name of meadow sort of secret meadow? Okay. Let's on the way है तो करते हैं हम लोग. This video is long, I know, but still, well, it's gonna be long anyways. Okay, no information revolve. Let's try and see अगर यहाँ पे कुछ मिलता है. What is this? Hanged Man. Hanged Man का game. Oh, thank you for the treasure. Okay. Let's go to that one. That's the farthest one. So let's get to that one. Actually ये करके जाएगा because this is the closest one. ये करता हूँ फिर उधर जाता हूँ. Any information here? Okay, no information. I'm getting free ka experience, so why not? More level up for me. That will make it easier to fight. Okay, that should be level up almost. मेरे को पैसा मिला और बैटल में घुसा. What are you? Alright, magic damage. I see you. Ineffective. So slashing damage doesn't work on it? Okay. Well, I'm still doing a lot of damage even though it's ineffective. I don't know what type of damage would I deal with this guy. And I definitely feel like it has to be something with the magic. Okay, this one is going to be a little tough considering this is ineffective against him. Let's try conjure for a backstab. Backstab to nahi. This conjure. Oh, dark magic is effective against him. I see. Alright, dark magic was effective against. It's worth it. कौन आने वाला है अभी? I'm guessing that's not a normal guy. Oh yeah, that's definitely not normal. If he does that kind of damage, that's definitely not normal. Yeah, that's definitely not normal. I need 45. I definitely need 45 here. Bite and 45. Armor चाहिए मुझे. Oh, bye. Definitely worth it. Worth given that 45 to myself. बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज है इसका. हैंडल नहीं हो रहा. Wait. I need another 45, I guess. I can't have it. Fracture it is done. I don't think so, man. I can win. Like seriously, he's too powerful for me to handle. He's too powerful for me to handle. To give the quest, I guess so. No. Why didn't you say before? There is a hanged on right over there. ये मिशन करते हैं ठीक है, फिर एंड करते हैं हम लोग. This game is addicting, okay? I'll be honest. But ये मिशन करके हम लोग एंड करते हैं आज का वीडियो. Oh, there is a chest right there. Definitely use that. पैसा. Who the hell is you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, easy. I think that should be an easy target. Yeah, he's an easy target. Not a big deal. It doesn't matter. मेरा HP बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Like, it doesn't matter to me what you do with that. Let me do that. And that should be easy one for you. Too easy, man. That was too easy. There are some battles जो बहुत hard है अभी मेरे लिए. So I'll need to be more careful with those battles. But there's just some battles that are just whatever. और इतना मेरे पास ये वाला boots. Is this better boots? No. This boots, I guess. Definitely no. बस boots वर्ड मिल रहे. Is that it? Is that all of it? Oh lol, मैं इधर से निकल गया. I defeated that thing. Why are people so rude to me? I don't know, man. There must be. You might have done something. Okay, let me do that and let me put this. Oh no, galat. That's the crafting. Put this and put this. There we go. Okay. I think so. यहाँ पे end करना better रहेगा. I'll check, I guess. क्या है मेरे पास? I don't think so. मैं कुछ खरीद सकता है, but definitely don't think so. कुछ खरीद पाऊंगा मैं. So I rather wait for something. Cause ये सब सेल करते करते मेरे को बहुत बड़ा सेल प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. So yeah, I'll have to definitely wait until I get a better thing. Right now I have good chunk of money, but it's not enough to get things. So yeah, and it's decent. सब कुछ decent लग रहा है मेरे को. So yeah, I think so that's about it for now. यहाँ पे एपिसोड एंड करूँगा. यहीं पे एपिसोड एंड करूँगा मैं. एंड मिलता हूँ अगले एपिसोड में. थोड़ा साइड क्वेस्ट कर लगे राइडिंग करूँगा थोड़ा मैं. बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इस सब चीज़ों को करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. सो राइडर आई ग्राइंड एंड देन ये सब चीज़ें करूँ मैं. आई वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस आउट इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड इफ पॉसिबल. बिकॉज आई फील लाइक दैट्स वन ऑफ द ईजियर वंस कम्पेयर टू द अदर वन. और मुझे डेफिनेटली वो वासो को भी लेना है. वासो के बेटे को, नट वासो को उधर. तो उस सब के लिए मेरे को ग्राइंड करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा और. अभी मेरे पास लेवल क्या है 120 20 लेवल पे हो. सो थोड़ा आर्मर के लिए मैं सेव अप करूँगा, मेटल पैंट्स लूँगा, उसके बाद में मैं देखूँगा, आई डोंट नो मैं क्या करूँगा उसके बाद, बट करूँगा कुछ ना कुछ करूँगा मैं, सो दैट आई कैन गेट सम मोर आर्मर। सो या मिलता हूँ अगले एपिसोड में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, पीस आउट।